want to talk to you about how the determination of interest rate hikes is made, how investors read this, because there's something called the CME FED Watch tool. We talk about it all the time. You hear about it in financial media, but I actually want to show it to you. CMEGROUP.com. So when you hear that the Federal Reserve is meeting to discuss its interest rate policy, what they really mean is the part of the Fed that meets to talk about interest rate policy every 6 weeks is the FOMC, Federal Open Markets Committee. The Fed meets October 31st and November 1st. If it's a 2-day meeting, the Fed decides what it's going to do with interest rates the second day. There is a better than 99% chance, according to market participants, people who watch this for an actual living, like me, and we're saying that there's no shot that the Fed raises rates. We expect the Fed to stand pat on the next meeting, December 13th. That's the CME Fed Watch tool, and it is subject to change and often does depending on the data that comes out.